Uy, ganahan ko sa critical illness plan ninyo na HealthFlex o sa iyang benefits, pero gamay ra kayo ang 1 million. Pwede na to padakaan? Pwede kaayo. Let me ask you, do you want me to provide another quote for a 3 million coverage or do you want to proceed to the application? If your question is, pwede na to padakaan para makaibaw ko pila ang akong baryanan sa 3 million, all you have to do is to multiply your monthly premium to 3 for you to know how much is the new premium by having a 3 million coverage. Assuming that this is your plan that you've generated and you like the benefits already but you want to increase the coverage, you just need to multiply the monthly premium to 3 because you want 3 million coverage. That is your new monthly premium if you're going to get a 3 million HealthFlex coverage. So that's how you calculate the new premium investment if you would like to increase your HealthFlex coverage.